My name is Sam Tostenson. I'm the general manager and bartender at Marshside Grill.
My name is Mark Mercer. I'm the owner of Marshside Grill here in Brunswick, Georgia.
The vibe at Marshside's awesome. We've got a great local crowd. We've got a lot of tourists that visit the area, and most of the time they have been told to stop in and visit Marshside.
The vibe is fun. People are happy. We have a great happy hour, but it's loud, it's lively.
We're constantly moving, taking care of different customers.
We are in a tourist area, but most of our business is local. It's a great community to be a part of, and I'm thankful for it.
Tonic's point of sale has been great for us.
Some challenges with the old system, some reasons why we were looking for a new one were to speed things up.
The ease of use is the biggest difference with Tonic. We're able to access more features from the point of sale at the bar as opposed to having to go to the back office and change prices. It's definitely helped with our flow at the bar.
Andy Johnson, who has handled our credit card processing for years, he is the one that brought it to us. Andy's been so good to us over the years and taken such good care of us that I was willing to listen to anything he had. We were looking for something faster, newer, and this is what Andy brought.
To me, everything is about support. If I can build that support team, the fact that they're out of Atlanta, which is in our backyard because my business partners live up there, then maybe we can help with that brand and bring it down to South Georgia and maybe take it on into Florida and other places. Most of your platforms and your restaurant point of sale are becoming proprietary, so it keeps guys like me that do third party out of the equation. With Tonic, as I started looking into how the product looked, how it flowed, I started seeing it out there in my travels in Atlanta. And I thought, well, that's a product that's not down here. And obviously after getting to know the team, how they operate and how they're driven, it was a very attractive program for me.
The Tonic support team's been incredible. Very easy to get a hold of through text, email, phone calls. Their support has been incredible. Building the system out when we were moving over to Tonic was easy, painless. We were able to get on a Zoom call with those guys and build the whole system out and explain our process, our system, and they all seemed to get it and help build that out for us.
I would highly recommend Tonic to anyone considering a change. Nothing but good things here at Marshside Grill.
The processors have been great. Everybody has been really eager to make it work and fit within our system here at Marshside, and really trying to make it the best system that we've ever worked with, and I can agree that it is.